Guys, I wanted to show you this vegetable and fruit cleaner and strainer that I purchased. This is really cool. So, anything that helps us eat healthier, I'm all in on, and I keep trying to find like easier ways. So I like this. This is how I do it. I put like the vegetable or fruit in here. I pour water in here, and then I usually use like a fruit cleaner and I spray it. Then you could close this lid and I kind of like shake it around so that it really gets nice and clean. And then you can open this and pour the water out. So it's just all in one. I usually dump them in another container, or you can then close it again, take the handles like this and just pop it right in the fridge. So really convenient. You can see like I use this a lot. I do use like a vegetable cleaner as well in there. So it really does get this so clean. It's like very satisfying to see how like the water, kind of gets like dirty, and then you can clean it, and that you're serving like fresh fruits and vegetables that are really cleaned off and just like super easy and convenient. Definitely recommend this, and I'm glad we have it.